How to fix Google Meet black screen on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Google Meet black screen on Android phone. First, open Play Store and then make sure your Google Meet is updated, and then click settings and then click apps, and now apps again, and here type Meet and you will find it. Click on it and then click for stop, and then click storage, clear cache, and that's it. If that doesn't fix your problem, click clear data, click clear data and click OK. All you need to do after that, just to go back and log in again. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.